I thought I'd share a little bit more detail about this project in case you're considering doing something in your own home. So I chose to use a stencil that's larger than my actual tiles, which means that grout lines end up sometimes in the middle of the design. Given that this is a busier design, I find that when I stand back, it's not really that noticeable. So each of these tiles takes me about 45 minutes to stencil. And then after each stencil, I make sure to wash the brushes because they do dry out during that 45 minutes of time. Now this stencil here, you can see is really clean, and I used a stencil brush for this one. I tried to go faster using a high density foam roller, and you can see it didn't turn out so well. So I'm gonna have to paint over this one in white and do probably 2 coats and redo it. It's a lot cleaner using the stencil brush, given that my tiles have a little bit of texture. So what I've learned here is that it's not always best to go faster, that paying attention to the details and going slow is actually going to get me there faster.